Do you want more milk? Where did your cup go? Can you put your cup up? No juice. No. Can you go put your cup up? No juice. Go put your cup up. You got milk. Back up. Back up. No, back up. Okay. Can you put it in your cup? Thank you. Look. Say cheese. Say cheese. More? What? Do you want more milk? No, we don't need to open that.